front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, launch settings and scroll to choose safety and emergency. Now, click on emergency contacts. Select this switcher if it's not already on and make sure it's blue, the one next to show on lock screen. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible on locked screen, so double check if it's on. Then hit Add Emergency Contact. Click on it. Then tap on all the other one you wanna add, and when you finished, hit Done at the top right corner. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. If you want a delayed one or manage the list, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Remove, tap on the one you want to get rid of, and choose Remove button. Don't worry, it won't be deleted from your Samsung, only from the list. If you wish, you can also enable or disable share during emergency calls and text. Hit Agree to confirm your choice. Now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can tap on Emergency Call at the bottom. Then see my emergency numbers over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!